Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you, my beautiful ladies, today? This is Lily coming at you again. I think today is the 9th of December. We're getting near to Christmas, and it can be that time where it can be very hectic, especially for the ladies, I believe, because the woman's role is to make sure that everybody is okay. So here I go again, ladies. Let's see, what can we do today? If you're having one of those down moments, why don't you just go and treat yourself and just go into a beauty parlor, get your nails done, get your toenails done, go and get a haircut. It doesn't have to be an expensive one, but just treat yourself to something nice and affordable. And you know what? It'll make a load of difference. Go to a swimming pool, just time to yourself. Jump in the pool and just do a few laps. I tell you what, it'll make a world of difference. And it'll change your day. It'll change your day, definitely. So that's just what I'm saying for the Christmas season now coming up. Just take yourself away from everything that you think it's, just all jungle or whatever, and just get yourself out. Go to the beach and just have that moment, just a quiet moment, just like I am right now. I'm just having a moment. I'm under the trees, I'm at a park, and I'm on my own, and it's beautiful. Just taking in the moment. It's just lovely. So ladies, just saying again, treat yourself, keep it simple and not expensive. It'll just make you feel so special. Treat yourself, make yourself feel special for the day, because I know you've got a lot ahead of you. That's my advice for the day. This is Lily coming at you. Have a great day. I am.